back to another video. So we back today. Today we will be cooking Argentina Messi dish. It's gonna be very interesting. It's gonna be a local dish, guys. So as you know, Argentina is one of the country that eat most of the steak. They eat like a lot of red meat and with wine. So Argentina is one of the top producers of wine in the world, guys. So let's get to it, guys. It's gonna be very interesting dish. So this dish is dedicated to Messi. As you know, Messi is one of the GOAT. He exchanged with the Miami team and then he won. So yeah, guys, this dish is dedicated to the Argentina people. So let's go. So yeah, guys, what's good? What's cooking? What's cooking? So we cooking the Messi dish. So guys, if you want me to bring girls to the show, don't worry, I got you. So I'm gonna bring girls. This is my salad. I'm gonna use lettuce for my salad because guys, it's a little bit tricky to get it right with the camera's angle. The first thing I'm gonna do is clean the lettuce. You have to wash it, rinse it. Right, I have lettuce already washed. As you can see, my mise en place is already done. You know what I mean? Important, guys, to get the mise en place ready. So my lettuce, you add vinegar. You can add onions, purple onions, and then you add vinegar, guys. Then you add a little bit onion. You can add shrimp or langoustine. It's all about imagination, guys. You can add everything you want. You know what I mean? You can add cheese. Very important, guys. I'm gonna use the barbecue sauce. You can see right there. So, you know, people in Argentina they eat like a lot of barbecue sauce. Then I'm gonna use the meat. So this is my salad, as you can see right there. The meat right here. You know what I mean? For the plating process. So this is my pan. I'm gonna put. So as you can see, my pan is in the stove. Yeah, I need it to be hot as possible. Then when my pan is very hot, I'm gonna add oil and then I'm gonna add the meat. This is live, guys. This is not recorded live. We are live right now on Kick. This is the live cooking show. Don't worry, guys. Man, everything is smooth today. So guys, if you want more updates, subscribe to my main channel where I upload all the recipes. This is my main channel, guys. As you can see, we have that girl that came through. You know what I mean? As you can see right there. This is the girl cooking, you know, to the cooking. This girl, guys, she is a model, guys. She used to work at Victoria's Secret. You know what I mean? So I'm teaching her like the recipes, the techniques, and a lot of. She's like Master Chef, but wunderbar. This is the thermometer I'm gonna use. You know what I mean? This is the thermometer I'm gonna use to measure the temp of the meat. Everything is ready. I'm gonna use barbecue sauce. This is like an easy recipe, Argentina recipe to do, guys. And then you can add eggs if you want. In the future, guys, I think we're gonna do wine, guys. Very important, guys, because I'm thinking about doing wine. Bring a lot of girls in the future. You know, teaching girls how to cook and stuff. This is like one of my mission and goals of the channel to teach girls how to cook and how to behave submissive feminine in the kitchen. I know that sounds misogynist, but nowadays girls are not cooking, guys. Girls are just running on Instagram, getting attention and a lot of stuff they're doing. So I think I'm the solution. So let's go. So let me switch to my pan. And today we're not gonna do. I think we can do a little bit of reaction today. And then what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna flip it.
But I want to become a mom.
What the fuck is this? Oh my god, why she's wearing glove? What the fuck, bitch? This is like rich people fucking around. We back. As you can see, my chicken is cooking very smooth. You can see, look at the skin. So in 5 minutes, my chicken will be ready, guys. So guys, the chicken should always read at 165 Fahrenheit or 175, guys. The chicken temperature chart. Just let it like this. Very important, guys, to let the chicken do the job. Oh my god, look at my $1 million kitchen. This is like rich people fucking around, guys. So I heard that show was canceled. So
You guys, does this not look amazing or what?
she remind me of that girl in culinary school. Oh my god, look at my nails, $300. I don't want to mess it, bitch. Just use your hands and get it done. Oh my god, does she know how to use a blender?
These bacon strips are big.
She look like a pro, guys, compared to So yeah, guys, my chicken is gonna be ready soon. As you can see, my chicken is cooking. If you see that little burn, it's not burn, guys. So it's just getting right. Very important to get it right. And we're gonna use the barbecue sauce. And then I'm gonna use one egg, guys. So my chicken is ready. As you can see, my chicken is ready, guys. I'm gonna add the egg. This is the thing right there. Look, you see, you can add onions, yeah, and then we're gonna use the barbecue sauce. So we're gonna cut it, we're gonna eat it live, guys, to see how perfect it is. So let me show you guys. I just need to add the eggs. So I'm gonna add the eggs right now. Look, as you can see, this is the dish. This is like the Milanesa, the national Argentina dish. Very important, guys. This is like what Messi eat. As you know, guys, the champion, the GOAT. Shout out to the GOAT. So Argentina is one of the countries that eat, and in Germany too. They eat like a lot of this dish with chicken. I think this is chicken. Yeah, this is chicken, guys. As you can see, as you can see, you see the dish. So this is the dish we have here. I'm gonna add barbecue. This is the Milanesa with eggs and lettuce. This is the Milanesa dish, as you can see right there. And then we're gonna add barbecue sauce. So comment below, guys, if you like the dish at the scale of 1 to 10. See what I'm talking about?
This just
Yeah.
for a minute.
Oh my god.
Yes.
It'll
What
be
these guys are
right.
doing?
Yeah, perfect.